na az ngachin wi competition item pi hi in a teo me kha hangste ge kharesa da debate hi kwikara tuwitili public speaking hi kara laga kagathumali quiz da mathang singara jaina ngaya hi wi literary item hili hosa migi ga chipping judge ping hinala atumi best level in samira ga hi iwi ga hane kala khanawle participant psychorally kala unit ga chi vowi na rada khalai psychorally khamataya kala ring ga pha atam sa ser se ga hi iwi shongai na hangai ningsla ga re
Ishiwi competition item being he moron mazatarang sa ishiwi light he hunaka chain sa kawai yarina minute khani beer samilogi request sadly. Yarina pure mirror the sitsangi are itumi competition he matang zatak vai sauce chiwaina karisada debate with judges ping na atam rakui mirino. Local Hiwi guides brother and sisters bingli that they remind sangai ishi competition item kwika kwai wang natumli hili stage leader ka sadle chiwangai kathak mai report sami logi chi request sadle.
Good evening, everybody. Atam hi debate with kwika khawai ngranda leye chena debate with participants pingli hit had the criteria ping hi thaimi delay. Criteria ping hi once had the clarity and organization of argument hi clear introduction body color conclusion hi changhai ne color argument should be directly addressed to the topic. Color content clearly content quality and evidence he layer china kiglets laka argument should be factually accurate and relevant. He repeating misalila color killer incredible examples media statistic color case studies being color historical reference being he mirror color rebuttal hina kiglage laka ability to identify weakness in the opponent's argument color no repetition of earlier points being hina color delivery hila yengra confidence color body language la yengra kala clear voice, eye contact, kala effective use of tones, hi yengra, kala overall impact hi la yengra, strong conclusion reinforcing the sense hi yengra, kala na tumli hangai na not si permit sa ek verbal di sada hitada yeng la ka kapapa chi maning la kala abusive offensive masapaimra participant must be adhere strictly to the limited time ashama atam chi 3 minutes mira 2.5 minutes sili warning bell mira kala time bound chi kasungai ka bell shaumi ai ka katong hazina atam chala ka na kupsang mi kwai kachi hi criteria hi short and take a minute kala katong hali all the best chi hangai
ning shere ara itumna atamazang sakrila competition hi hapo khwai debate li zang mi gidak lai participants ko tong khana stage wa ka lagang ranai dak lai city ka khoi mirano
Issue just akahili stage li kami kwai request adle. lottery ma shudrang ge chi participant changa kha hiwa khara mi lo ning shilakra lottery ma shudrang ge chi
Hello. Participants Bingley Hirada Anamilo. Participants Bingley Latluida Kajing Thana Malay High serial number Malay High Zanga repeat Samiluge Natumna Talangin and not Samido. Opponent we serial number 1 Li Toyi Wena Shirin Mi Atari Laho serial number 2 na Laho Layapi Kasomwo serial number 3 Sonim Mokung Happyland Wena serial number 4 Li Kanmishang Hungyo Risopung 5 Chamre 1 Gashung Nongdam Juliana Ongshi Mui Rewena Kala serial number 7 na Ongchan So Jitung Tong Rewena Inara okay movers Hina movers with serial number 1 Li Rewardson Vashim Sherkapung serial number 2 Vakli Machinao Silent serial number 3 Zephaniah Jitung New Salem serial number 4 Rinzan P Gashung Litan serial number 5 Ningshim Gashung Marumpung Ninglum Gashung Hina serial number 5 Marumpung Wena serial number 6 Ramsam Ningshen Laikoiching serial number 7 Li Yirei 1 Varam Ramre Wena Mahapok Choranga clarify actually so say opponents back na blue chair arrange side quickly pamyaw lo movers back na red chair jili arrange side quickly pamyaw lo Mahapok Choranga hida participants bingli marks yakshida clarify samilyo ke number 1 li clarity and organization of arguments he 20 marks Content, quality, and evidence, 25 marks. Rebuttal, 20 marks. Delivery, 20 marks. Overall impact, 15 dahi. Totally, 100 marks in ayangre.
hida the netumui speaking time he jithei midle participant avavuli nawi motion or opposition he mi khawai 3 minutes mirror 2 minutes li warning mirror kala 3 minute katatam chani final warning final bell sound mirror itum the warning the hang mirror jana kakup atam chani up hang mirror kala first mover and first opponent not samilo counter debate hi kupsar khai thili first mover and first opponent li minute aka mira kakupatam chani kyuwankle jika anikni li atumwi count mover and opponent na matui khai jili counter sakawai minute avu mira kukai chile debate topic na individual actions matter more than government policies and in each achieving sustainability. Ishui debate hi hapo ko vai sauce chiu wangai na mover serial number 1 na atam khimir no
Remai da achung ya ishi debate hi we quiz debate hi we mushun ko ye mingi da khala ya ishi judge khani le we khya ga shi mi da le lang mai da khya shi khngi ya o chang ra le gi sheng so na ping na tum ga dong khali we khya ga shi mi da le atam hi limin sa naw gi da e kha thak da ma tiaw ge jiwang na tum la kha phyo mi lo achi topic hi individual actions matter more than government policies in achieving sustainability ka chine itum na sustainability ka jena mi kai kana specific sala ka na itum we ka shak chali ro no itum na ngai tak location ka chon lir no chik thali mang specific sala ka na ka phani mi la le ka specific sala ka na mi yang hai la itum na holistic sa mi kha da yang se itum we environment mathala ka na maintain ka sa itum we biodiversity itum we ecosystem thala ka na maintain ka sa ka chi sustainability we foundation a khane ka khani le itum na environment hi mtha da maintain sala ecosystem hi mtha da maintain sala environment hi na kaita khaya tam chitran itum we masir no itum na mangda khalai tir no hi muthar thu ja tam tharan itum we mikumo we phasali health impact rai itum na example sa da yingse ara litan we khamkhau litan we thong sa da khamkhau cha hoda da khlai je na we apai lam thai huggies lam thai plastic tong kham kha chile hota horsang se atakhlai niang chi sachla ge food science song ani yang se jika chi plastic chi jingham na chigla sa laga debris small microbe sa khai tharan khai na shai laga itum khai ji itum shai takhlai niang chi food chain song ani yang se jika itum ni mi kumoli sa chi khai limang sa chim ne laga ari ara dili le Kazipur yang kamu kau cungna ada hotai dah ji kecuali tas mahal cumi kan ni jinglem ni kebam bingci mesti macam tu kita kerja itu lah kan shoke jadi no itu na sustainability kerja tam seteran itu we kerja itu we ngawai tu kalau kesan kerja limang mi yang hai mere itu na sustainability sah kerja saja ke itu environment itu ecosystem him thalakai na preserve thalakai na maintain ka sa ka chi tarka sa ye jimang muning la it we habit long lasting solution kura ke jika it we habit hila khang che hi tarka sa ye ni share
Today's topic, individuals' action matter more than government policies in achieving sustainability. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will be speaking against the motion of the House. Firstly, sustainability means meeting today's need without messing up the future. And let us not only take about our village, our community, our state, or our country. So, when we take it on a global scale, relying on an individual's capability to attain sustainability is unimaginable. Mr. Speaker, sir, my first point is sustainability is a governance issue. Sustainability means managing external shared resources, long-term public welfare, and externalities. So, government policies can be updated or can be made better, but it is never it is never reduced. Jaina, Mr. Speaker, sir, governance issue ne hiva kiwai na klejika governments ping ne yang sang ran ne shared properties le haugida. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, sir, individuals' action lacks skill, certainty, and consistency. Sustainability needs consistency over decades. A person can save a few trees, but one government policy can save thousands of trees. Mr. Speaker, sir, my third point is policy decision overrides personal decision. Ito mo customary laws li shongzan sing masadek by mane. Ka government policies na project semga or shongva semga ray jaga shongzan sing sadek daleko. That is the limitation of individual action and the power of one government policy, Mr. Speaker, sir. My fourth point is, Mr. Speaker, sir, economic necessity overrules personal ethics. Isum na ring kawai the jum cultivation, poppy cultivation hazard dale. Jui job alternative malayla isum na tin sadek da kleji sustainability mukramane.
Of future generations to meet Qadar na UN generals na hang hai yang the futures of our planet depends on policy, not just personal choice. Yang general speakers being the theology, asking individuals to fix sustainability is like asking consumers to stop a flood. Example aku is jika sidia kali flood or dam kaisho khai jiran dam ji repair masala ka yang sang me bing na ayaw na bing li long da klai duru jili ngok jang la ka ribak lo ka ji tha ne jila jiwa mi bing na kaya ka ribak thai la duru jina ava ribak thai da awli ma ba mre da ma jani la ka ava long gi ji long dai ji la ya. So their efforts are so real, young, but the source of the problems remains untouched. In the same way, individuals can recycle same energy, reduce waste. But yeah, government we policy regulating industries emissions and resources use environmental damage continues at a scale individuals cannot counter.
Warning.
Individuals' actions affect a few people. Government policies affect millions at once. Yeah, individuals hiba mi kadong kadiyo na mang na thing is again nekala wasung yang kaba government nava kachung khali things kala wasung ungsung wa paidala semi yang in hilik hang hilimung me da he kuye because they apply to entire populations. Yeah, in contract. Government policies are mandatory and nationwide. Chuvang millions of people is influenced. In my conclusions, waiting for individuals to fix the sustainability is like waiting for a fire to burn itself out. Moreover, waiting for individuals' actions is not a solution; it's surrender. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. Honorable judges, my worthy opponents and esteemed audience. I am Jeffenai Chuting representing the motion that is, individual action matters more than government policies in achieving sustainability. Individual actions, first of all, matters a lot, dear Mr. Speaker, sir, because when people start to take proactive control over their physical health, by avoiding intoxicants which constantly drains their lifespan, Mr. Speaker, sir, and their mental well-being, by focusing on educational platforms rather than fantasizing things over the internet, and their social relationships by giving their active participation in social activities, which ultimately enhances their basic skills. So with all of this ensures the quality of life from every aspect. Mr. Speaker, sir, in this generation where India dominates first place in world population over 1.4 billion people living together, and broad corruptions happening in broad daylight, it is high time for individual actions to take over policies from the government, like the NRGS, which most of us depend for a living, by understanding that one's survival is one's responsibility. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guests, Honorable Judges, my dear participants, and everyone present here, today I'm going to speak about against the motion that individual actions matter more than government policies in achieving sustainability. Sustainability is a large-scale problem. It is global in nature. Sustainability is something that individuals' effort alone cannot change. It needs strong government intervention to change, like climate changes, deforestation, pollutions. Like in government actions, environmental challenges cannot be solved by individual efforts alone. The largest contributor to environmental degradation is the industries. Industries individuals with efforts among the makhamram the government with strong intervention darkar sa hangai. Well-designed policies mthalai na shem ga high government na shem ga laws and regulation here follow ga satran
itum environment le drastic changes kura ba ge hangai like shongfa public transport kada electricity kada hi individual actions mangai na kurak ba nim ne like government we khangjon mazang la hi itum mile ya ka resang da ma bomrai ge he hangai like in conclusion government policies Government policies drive systematic transformation. For true sustainability, strong government is not optional, it is essential. Therefore, I firmly oppose the motion. Thank you.
Kya shikangi amushun makuyeng mi ping kala yaro na thum sai koreling zin ring phashlam sat leye azang zin itumli mi kai tu kui individual actions matter more than government policies in achieving sustainability li imyangai da apam hilirang ning gai ni kresa da sustainability hi kikla chi haya kha resources yang itumli kana ka pai oti khangri nai nang so da manga khwa chili kahang ni kala ina khiwe wang individual actions na rit ma ye chi haukla chi haya ka kresa da environmental sustainability shong tanga ye atang itumwi opponent ping na hangai re yang mai government we environmental standards implementation tar kar sa ko kamushun mukhu yeng mi ping na phap tam hi lo kchia sustainability kchi hiva with quality moving forward pa hi tar kar sa ho gi da itum na ground reality khenga tam che tranli global level we yang Paris Agreement COP21 hi since its inception jingum tralang hairako kam ariri la signatories strakhana hiwi commitment hi follow sara mane yang Middle Eastern countries ping ari la fossil fuels highly extract sad le ya chimang maning la India we context li khenga tam che tranli Swachh Bharat mission hi launch sa da jingum tralang hairako hi la hili matai mai tu the challenges face sa da la hiwa infrastructure construction baji maning la behavior change pa hi ko Indians now ping hi civic sense badla khau gi da itum sustainability we goals kura ke gi hili da undermine sa we ya kala Environmental Protection Act la arila illegal poaching, logging, encroachment hi leching dak ko hi na khi chi take le chi haya ka individuals ping wili accountability conscience pa hi malai rang la khai na teng da government na policy khamtha kya kha khura la sustainability hi mu khura pa mre ki chi hangai yang kala kakhani ali political sustainability shong tanga yang mai democratic governance takar sana ye khamshun makhui yang mi ping na phata mi lochia political sustainability query chi haya khama tai mai thu the accountable governance takar sa ko ka itumli free and fair election mi hai salala itumna individuals ping na ningmang shar haya kha accountable governance mu khiraram niya kala athang opponent ping na hangai re ya economic sustainability we maram liya may government we macroeconomic policies takar sai kam shun makhui yeng mi ping na phata mi lo chia tuikui ba hina rit khamai bali rinawi da economic sustainability khirare chi haya kha matai mai thui da takar sahi fair economic system ko kha ariri ka thakle chi haya ka government lei laga government la jang da institution of backdoor black market is still practice sad le yang hikta institution ping hiwa itumwi formal economy li bypass sa hogi da sustainability goals kura ke chi haya ka trakha undermine sa hogi da hi individuals ping wili ningkhang sharba chi yang individuals ping na paisa ko khui ba chinala kala paisa mi gi shok pa chinala ngathum da ot khyor ba chinala ngathum da ot khmi ba chinala conscience pa himle rangain tang da khanga chei mi khura bai mane ki chi hi hangai ya khana wasa da hi da hangai ye chewa government ping na policy kya kham tha sem sala even with the right mechanisms individuals ping na conscience accountability responsibility himle ka khanga chei mi khura bai mre ki chi hangla kop sangau kai ning share
Yari na comments media kleji positive and constructive salakai na mise ya participant bingli nervous at kawai ay na mawasang mise kichi la paning usak tali ning silagir.
Hello, good evening, TNVSA. Remi tuida mushun mukui yang meeting kala Mr. Speaker Lin ning shi pung shok tali. In a opponent side winner serial number 4 winner mutui nei atam winner hang the kleji atam individual actions matter more in achieving government policies li atum the sustainability hi matter samai gijini ka atum na hang dakli khi hang la mag theyang sustainability ji meeting the requirements for the needs of today's needs kal recycle sak by reuse ji dei renewable ji dei ka issue we opponent issue we mover serial number 1 na ka hang ji khi kham tu la pham mag da yang reisang se ji ka government le government policies mazang le ka thada reisang da for example MNRUGA yang itu mari kuli cichat na sedle kala Tamil Nadu li ari reserve waterway amrut tagal zatle ko 20,000 it's store more than the 20,000 to give them individual. What do they know about the individuals? Individual points out what you did. Yang naklatan exactly individual actions kajiko. Example of mamitil individual actions. What do they know about the individual actions? Yang in atum lahang kangaiba. What is your vision? Natum na individuals kaji vision kido. What is your purpose? Yang, for example, hili tum na sadakli individuals na crown hi tweak mimding day. Itum na kasahi hili, for example, TNVSA na rungdagli hi government we atum na thada kangachon kui laga sa kui laga kasem ni hila. It's also a kind of a government policies that it gave to the individual, right? Atum na sangdagli hi thada kasaino machuka. Atang issue
Time's up.
Issue emotions being the Kangji Aklamung Gadla. China, if government policies today it me each in achieving sustainability he by him young age hangai Nishlager.
Kya shiknya mushung yemi ping kala TNVSA we yerong laping ojang laping no tumri kya shimi dele krisa dari topic ina mutugi ji he itum mikumu wamning ne environment la changdele kala sayu ayu la changdele kala pollution la changdele krisa de example sada ko phungsomak popi da arihon sakjang da samtha da le je samtha ai ka ba itum tingdong ling sang ha ka tharak le je ka ba tingdong ling sang la ga itum environment misikathar samang wai la sa se kala lang mi da china itum wi bang phasa bang kana ka pai la ra re arihon cancer hi chunglak ana form sa da le ne ngahadak lene thidak lene jena itumi phasam thang sakre chikaba itumi ko phungthar da haira kala thingrong hi mathada lingsang ra kala example kakriya sada nongdam muire hium sangile dam haimi dekle hi kya kamta khla government wishonga na khra saida ashina mathalan simi gai hi tourist ping na kala hiu area being na raing laga or any picnic kita ba laga or family rimpang room laga athumna spain sa dak le hi itu mikum busong ni yang se jaga ba phasa kham than ne ning ring ga phan ne china chi song sila government li kujung ni sie kala langwei da in hang ngai ba itu mi government wi Kogdom sa ka ba area hi sakla jaina itu misa pai ka ba hi area nem hili yango pil paye litani le paye hiuma sangil hospital boka paye chitai ka itu mi khangha edi kaza khangha hili pai me dang hak pai me ra gi hi simi da hangsan laga kup sang ge kuk na lim
kya shekhingi ya atsui mishun mukhui yang mi ping kala rajang hai khar nau ping kala ten sawi ka thana ping ngsot nau ping thum sai kor li le khyang jin salam ka mi nang so da ari inam du gi china individual action matters more than government policy in achieving sustainability chine hi topic hile in opponent aga sadam du gi chine ka da ithum na arjang I mangali ram tu ai re gja ana popi kling kala dam ka sahi the hang le de popi je government ral gamra mi ling mi lak mane ka individual pingjin na ling laga government policy ka shi ka tong hi athumna individual way na ka shok nei gji ne ba ina hang ngai sa jiwa government ithum hili ra laga ari jang hang dak leje dam sem ga laga hi da hang dak lejle mai government wa ithum bang okthui kwai kala ka pha apong ji khura kwai da sem da lede ji social equality kala ithum development yang social development wi bang ne da in hang ngai ji government na sa khmi ne je na government action hi na individual action ni matai me ye ji hang ngai sa ne mai ithum na individual akasa da any fields lead the itum the action kuidak le itum we thang we shok jang hili environmental we wangala economically sa ga bai kala socially itum li sa ga bai jika sustain msa ga bai itum action ku chung ga kui kad le khajili government na pha khamai apong jili khuira laga itum individual we action deliver government we action above jina atungli cha da le ga ji in hang ngai sa ne jina ar itum the yang se khag chivli itumna Narendra Modi we ajing jili cylinder gas cylinder le samphangla kala SSG itumna self help group da khag ji da naramli la iramli lang wasar de le re hi government itum wi wang khira khmi nei jidla jika itum individual na walaga action khushok la ka samning nei jidla kha katong hi itum development wi wang da government na khira dak le katong hi itum mi ava we on road live government we policy jin hak mai khari gi ina hangai ga sani ning shlagar
Cashing chief guest special guest judges kalara changhai in tum cycle yuaming ramsem ning chingawai in a lekuching katam now wang song in a debate represent sa line you debate individual actions matter more than government policies in achieving sustainability nei in a more side in represent sa line itum mikmo sa da thangchi da itum decision khuye itum decision ni kila itum society li directly indirectly affects ai itum na kapasa se ji sa la kila itum individual na thak me da sa chabe government policy wa kila house opposition la lobby la bureaucracy chungai da tap nai ka individual ping na kila itum na kapasa se o mai thing mi chi ni se kila itum na gas now se itum na ngalang da sa kui pai laga thang government we policy si kila individually observe sa laka khami nai itum gi kila beti padhao hi kila individual pingli yang laka individual we need yang laka government kui krane laka government hi kila policies authoritative sai ka individual masanga kila ochami fai mi mlem da klam mung tam ne itum paperly ungtal salapai tada hita policy ungta ka corruption ka thala thik le government na kila policies in the ari itum na policies thik khurami there ka chi ka chungchang atam corruption thik hui kila makapha politician bureaucrats athum middlemen we kila pocket money nga sawa we laka itum individuals being hina kila society we trend hi thumna chan sak chine kila government authority salaka kila ithumni namai ka individual policy sun ka chat la pai ka ta dam chat lak mare individual masang ka policies ko tong hi work masam ne policy si idea na tanga we la ka chang song ma sung re da kila ithum la shi sang government ne ithum le kila thik sami
warning
ka government hi individuals pingli kila individuals pingli yang la sa khmi ne itum Indian democracy live killa individuals pingbang for the people by the people je da killa individuals yang policy krane, not the other way around. Without individuals responsibility killa sustainable development himaramre. Sustainable development hi killa mi itum individuals pingena raka a sense of responsibility leye laka killa hi sustainability hi maintain sapai me in a kangchang hangau ge killa everything starts from the bottom, not from the top. Thank you.
Kaya shi khangye tu khoka mashun mo khui yang mi bing kala ya ri bing itum li mi khai topic hili in opponent ka sada mamishung manada mamishung manada matu yijna khare sada tu khoka na themi logia leida clay panda clay rijum now itum mi khavat mi khawai kala thurada clay thought bing li langarin mi khawai chili langda leida clay natural resources bing hili ngak mi khawai wangda government a sustainable development goals traditionally mi hai kala hi achieve sama mandale example is sustainable goal number 1 no poverty Kathai kachamal ling samra the government a scheme policy example PM Kishan MNRGS pension scheme hi katha singalaga India with poverty 20% ni like saji ajava 2 to 5% ni later thaka government policy hi effective masam ne jisila kakhania point li India li later clay offices hospitals any organizations factories companies bing hi government policy we adzingli paisin salaga laws and regulations nga wala ka function ka sa mga aina aja re ka sang khui krama mning la ithumi ecosystem la balance la ka function sa dele taka government policy liver ithumi individual actions na effective sa mai jirala hiwa mamshung ne ewi ka thuma point na wa sustainably achieve sa se ka project darka cycle sustainably ti achieve ka sa wi projects pinghiwa complex problem le kachung laye complex problem ping hi itum individual actions na solution mo khira paim ni hiwa strategic planning important sai jaina sustainability we project ping jisingka se jika government policy intervention hi important sai maninga itum achieve msaramre iwi next pointly sustainable khirase sustainable future semje jika expensive salake thang okthui khawai da itum hotnada kleitum na killan shijin ka infrastructure kala waste management system technology hi katha semra kala khillan shijin na maintain sarada hi government policy khanga jon khuida loans incentives financial support we khanga jon khuida itum reka sangkhira da kleide kala next pointly government policy khala wiwang acha itum kapung naw na example forest right act 2006 wi manga aina nga hongni defensa la ka mirin sem khuida lei reka sangkhira lei kala wildlife protection act we ajingli endangered species example li shuri li sangai hi gata hi protect sa de leide maning se chiwa ithumi kumo wi ka khram otsak na hibing hi shimanser la ka ra da kle totally itum ki hai mi gi ga jida ki hai mi sa gi jida kala iwi khnawa sa da I would like to rephrase the given topic and conclude saying that individual actions are important to achieve sustainability or sustainable future, but they are insufficient without government policy to drive and impact change, a systemic change, and ensure sustainable future for all of us. Thank you.
Kashik by judges, color Razangahai, Katana, color audience being, color you fellow friends being, you serial number 7, in a mover Rishongaina Kanganina. Individual actions matters more than government policies in achieving sustainability. Sustainability is not merely a policy framework or government agenda. It's a way of living. Government policies may set rules and regulation, but it is individual who translate sustainability from paper into practice. Madam Speaker,
in a hiwi topic wa zingli point ka thumai nam tu ngai tle. First point sada, government policies are effective only when individuals act on them. First example sada, a law banning plastic will fail if individuals continue to use plastic. Kakani example sada, energy saving policies are meaningless if individuals leave lights, vehicles, or resources unused responsibly. Kakatuma example sada, waste management policies will collapse if households do not segregate waste. Therefore, individuals are not optional participants, but they are the final executor of sustainability. Kakaniya point sada, collective individuals create massive impact. Kathada massive impact kira how when millions of people chose to conserve water, reduce energy consumption, recycle waste, or use public transport, the cumulative effect is greater than any other single policy intervention.
Warning.
Moreover, government policies, in conclusion, government policies may guide us, but it is individual who decides success. Therefore, I strongly believe that individual actions matters more than government policies in achieving sustainability. Thank you.
Razangai, Natums Aming rapping, Ojang rapping, Kala Sono, Ajon Ra, Bungra, Kala Langkarda, Azung Zinwi, Mushun Kui Yang Miping, Natum Psycho Lay like Yang Zinwi Salang Midale. Kala Iwa Ming no Janso Jitung, Itong Ray Wen and Nay, Kala in a opponent Sadam to Kitney. It is serial number 7. Topic na individuals' actions matters more than government in achieving policies sustainability. Sorry. He in a strong demand yang I'm ne kiklej laga government itum le like example array itum we he state we condition ne yang also itum we look for now certainly itum look for now being the government policy struck ran headle example PM Kisan itum singoma khale simkur le mya khale singoma le instrument tum shimi dele thinkani khanian jiu mangai ne tum na lui farmer aka sada ketiano khawa chil la chinang chon mi dele government na kala lang mai kharda itum youth sping larik tam ba shum la go otum le la tra re de kle ping le government jobs policing ran mi headle example my bharat na ga thang chon mi gle chila ga itum youth sping le NSS kala NCC reverse energy struggle midlay we train itum or traga sampang bayang itum na army chongli pa any civil service kadali we train itum na basang pai kalang me karda government na itum le kadam kushiwi lairi wile government school sem kam yadle are itum manipur will education system de yang se jika itum we private schools being fees chung laktale ring shipping wa private school limwa karl
warning.
China government itum le school government school kala colleges lingam hede le oja khamta tragal high midle kala hilimra itum nei thade le ka private individuals being to me schools kana show laga paisa trang tan vai le China I thau shrugli vai governments na oja khamta high midle kala ita kamta policies ku show me the clay itum na shijing room say China in a hankai ban away individuals na ot kya ga sala pai ot ka sa sai courage le government na yang sangwi mangai na shung ba shung sar ne ning sila ga
Mover number 1 Lee 1 minute mirror counter sakvai 45 secondly warning mirror 1 minutely up mirror nextly opponent
point wise sign mutu liao ge adang ishi opponent with speaker kharebana poppy cultivation sa tak le hi ring khwai ga sa ne chi khrang hongjir ga khangai sa ku pere jingrot jika ram tha da moro thre zur ga jang chi le la ka jinga tam cha da moro thre yang aya chon thang chang tangkhul naw national hi ka nawa kha jingum phanga thruk te le re urok nawli sinapun sing laga tir sok tak le je khwangan khra da climate change khwangan khran hi thungwi environment kaita ma nai da hi wang khran ser no hi laga point ka khani le i thum hi kathuruka mass extinction is da khlaine yang laga aya jang la khangchi khangjang pawa ka samphange i thum we insects 2030 awi 2030 wa le 2030 wa lung hile 50% wa extinct sawe de la warning hen san disping na laga nala we maram ni la mo thi le sim ko chang laga nala ter long khwa ji le plastic da horsang ka ter ka chi wan long ra kre le infalin
The first step to achieving sustainable future is addressing global warming and climate change. The individual na kya ka impact sa shabrik lag ji we more bench lake bumping li in a challenge sangai ecosystem maintenance hangsir de leko kai thumna individual athang hangai re in the shomjin thing masa tek bai ne de to we customary laws li thuma ji protect sai ka government we project khara dam ji tranji athum we policy akhana satha chap de le ji ha ka government policy akhana